Hello everyone, welcome to Get Online Training. This is Kavya. In this video, I'm going to explain the SAS Certified Specialist question number 22. If you are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe to the channel and like the video if you're liking the video and share the video to your friends and colleagues who need the SAS certification. Let me enter into the question number 22. The question number 22 says that combine input.sales_data and input.employee_data on the employee_ID field. Answer the below questions. The first question is how many variables you got from the data set, and the second question is how many common observations are there in the above matching data sets. For this, first of all, we have to combine the data sets based on the variable employee_ID. We have to combine the input.sales_data and input.employee_data based on the variables employee ID. We should answer the below questions. The question was how many variables you got from the data set. We have to know how many variables we got from the data set, and also the second question is how many common observations are there in the above matching data sets. We want how many common observations. For this, let me open the SAS environment. That is the SAS software. As we know that we have to create the library named input by using the libname statement. Let me copy the path which is present in my desktop and copy it and paste it here and the semicolon and run. Check the log, and the log says that input was successfully assigned. And here we can see the input library, and from the input library we want the sales_data is one data set and the other data set is employee_data, right? So let me open that employee_data. When we see these two data sets, we can see that there is a common variable named employee ID here to the employee ID. We have to combine these two data sets based on the variable employee ID. Before combining, the same variable should be sorted so that we can combine the two data sets. For the sorting purpose, we have to use the proc sort statement. So proc sort data is equals to, what is the data set name? Input.sales_data. Let me write the out statement so that we can give the simple name as sales and by the variable named as EMPID, right? Employee ID. Let me copy this and paste it here and the run statement. And the same proc sort. Just change the data set name sales to the employee_data. And let me create the out statement as EMP and the run statement to run the program and check the log. The log says that 5 observations and 4 variables, 5 observations and 4 variables. Let me close these data sets and open the work library. We have created the two data sets, that is the sales and EMP. This is the EMP data set and this is the sales data set. Now we have to match these two data sets based on the variable employee ID. Data sales underscore EMP. Merge. By using the merge statement, we have to combine these two data sets based on the by variable. If it is not asked that combine the data sets based on the by variable, that is based on certain variable, we can combine those two data sets by using the set statement. But he mentioned that we have to combine the data sets based on the employee ID variable, so that we should use the merge statement. Merge sales and EMP and by the variable as employee ID. So let me copy the path and paste it here and the run statement. For we want the common observations, right? For this, I will use the int statement. Int is equals to A for the sales data set and int is equals to B for the EMP data set. First of all, let me run the data set. Check the log, and the log says there are 5 observations and 7 variables. and open the data set, we can see the two data sets are combined. When we open these two data sets, that the EMP and the sales data set, we can see the EMP data set has 4 variables and the sales data set has 4 variables. So the total should be 8 variables, but we combined the two data sets based on the employee ID. So we got the observations 5 and the variables are 7. And the first question is, how many variables you got from the data set? We got 7 variables. So the first question answer is 7. And the second question is, how many common observations are there in the above merging data sets? For the common observations, we can write the statement as, by using the if statement, if A and B. So we can get the common observations. That is, A means the sales data set and B means the EMP. If A and B, who should have the common observations? So if A and B, then output. So let me keep this as EMP1 and run the statement. And when I created, it says that 5 observations and 7 variables. Same the answer that the below. So the second question answer is 5 observations. That is, the common observations are 5 and the variables of 7. The first question answer is 7 variables and the second question answer is 5 variables. And if you have any doubts in this video, comment in the comment box, and please like the video if you're liking the video. Share the video to your friends and colleagues who need the SAS certification. If you want to learn the SAS certification, the base programming, you can log in into the link that was given below in the comment box. And thank you for watching.